Can you name these animals using just 2 letters? Most people can't even get past number 7. Let's go! Animal number 1. Lion. Animal number 2. Elephant. Animal number 3. Tiger. Press like if you got all 3 right. Animal number 4. Giraffe. Animal number 5. Penguin. Animal number 6. Dog. Subscribe if you're still nailing it. Animal number 7. Panda. Animal number 8. Cheetah. Animal number 9. Octopus. Comment how many you've got right so far. All right? The final one breaks everyone's streak. Can you do it? Animal number 10. Sloth. Subscribe if you got at least 5 right and comment your favorite animal. But did you catch which one you missed?